Get ready to be amazed cause this let completely honest finding perfect is officially taking over the internet. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the build quality is premium. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it delivers outstanding results instantly. No more wasting your hard-earned money on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed cause this let completely honest finding perfect is officially taking over the internet.